Hey guys, what you see here is a 44-inch Hunter baseball ceiling fan. This particular fan is from the 52nd week of 2001, and this is the last one that I got off of Marketplace today on Facebook. This one was missing the entire light kit, the home plate, and as well as the mounting bracket. And turn it on. There's really not too much else to say about these. Just get this light bulb here. Kind of annoyed because she said this was a complete fan, but clearly not. But I don't really care. I think I have parts to complete it, so I'm not too concerned about it. Pull chains were not stuck in the motor housing this time. This one I feel like performs the best one out of all of them. I actually do feel a little bit of air from it. And I do actually kind of like the light kit on it too. If there was like a switch cap or something, I probably like it a lot better than the baseball light, but I guess that kind of makes the fan, you know. It's high speed. It still lacks the air movement. And off. This one does have some fading on top of the blades, just like the other one did. But this side is in really good condition. There's no fading on this side at all. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.